Tameron Gulf Coast always has the best deals, and today we have this beautiful 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Edition SUV. On the exterior of this Grand Cherokee, you'll find heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, a power lift gate, blind spot monitoring system, and a rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and a power sunroof. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee has less than 43,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.